Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data lineage using Amundsen in your data platform, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify data lineage using Amundsen in your data platform, start by ensuring you have a functioning Amundsen instance. Access the Amundsen user interface through your web browser. Log in with your credentials. Navigate to the data lineage section from the main dashboard. Select the dataset you want to inspect for lineage. Once selected, you will see a detailed view of the dataset. Look for the lineage graph, which visually represents the data flow. Hover over the nodes to reveal detailed information about each step in the lineage. Examine the upstream and downstream processes associated with the dataset. Take note of the sources feeding into this dataset. Identify the transformations applied to the data. Review any relevant downstream datasets relying on this content. If needed, click on any node in the lineage graph for more details. Use the metadata panel to understand schemas and statistics related to the dataset. Verify the data quality indicators associated with the lineage. Cross-check lineage details against business rules to ensure compliance. Consider saving or exporting the lineage graph for documentation. If discrepancies are found, address them with the appropriate data engineering team. Regularly repeat this process to maintain up-to-date lineage verification. Engage with your team to discuss findings and improvements in data workflows. Analyze usage patterns to identify if lineage insights lead to better decision-making. Utilize the lineage information to enhance data governance initiatives. Make it a habit to routinely monitor and verify data lineage for ongoing accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.